In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Reminder in ClickUp. Reminders in ClickUp are quick, lightweight nudges you send to yourself so nothing slips through the cracks. They're perfect for follow-ups and small actions that don't deserve a full task. I'll guide you from getting into ClickUp to opening a task to scheduling a reminder that lands in your inbox at exactly the right time. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp. Then select the official ClickUp website from the results. This is simply the fastest way to get to your workspace if you don't have the app open already. Once you're in, you'll be ready to set up a reminder tied to real work. Now, open any task where you want a follow-up. It can be one assigned to you or one you're collaborating on. Think of reminders as personal prompts connected to your work, not as a replacement for the task itself. They shine when you need a nudge like, circle back after the client meeting, or double-check the attachment before sending, especially when you don't want to clutter your task list with tiny to-dos. Inside the task, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called More Actions. Click it to reveal additional options. From there, hover over Remind Me in Inbox. Choosing this routes the alert to your inbox at the time you set, which keeps it visible alongside your other notifications. The benefit is simple. When the reminder appears, it's in the same place you already check for work updates, so you're more likely to act on it. Next, set the date and time. Pick the day, then choose a specific time that matches when you actually want to see it. Aim for realistic timing. Schedule it just before you intend to do the work, not hours earlier when you're likely to ignore it. You can add a short note so the reminder has clear context when it arrives. After you confirm, you're done. The reminder is queued in your inbox, ready to ping you exactly when you need it. If plans change, don't worry. When the reminder appears, you can reschedule or snooze it to a better time. And if the reminder evolves into something bigger, convert it into a full task with assignees and due dates. Used this way, ClickUp reminders act as fast personal productivity triggers, easy to create, easy to manage, and flexible enough to become tasks when needed, so they complement your system rather than replace it.